XGBOOST, let me tell you today. I'm sorry. XGBOOST, important. Oh, though it is Iris dataset, that's what we done yesterday very quickly. Right. Okay. Okay. 106 and last program is what? Score prediction probability that we can cover during the project actually. But till prediction are we done? Zero 09. Sir, it's new data set, healthcare data set you are working, that to new algorithm. It's not like a public data set. Make a note on this. Yeah. Let's move on. What is the topic name? XGBOOST. I will give a little introduction, you will get an idea. By using XGBOOST, it's not only algorithm, there are two more extra activities also we can do. I will tell you what are all extra activities we can do. Please be focused actually. You will get an idea. Introduction. XGBOOST stands for Extreme Gradient Boosting Algorithm. XGBOOST means, can you tell me what is this? Extreme gradient boosting actually. That's why it is so called as a, XGBOOST algorithm. XGBOOST is the decision tree based ensemble machine learning technique. Good. It is kind of some decision tree based algorithm. By this time, you should know what do you mean by already decision tree. And along with that, it is an ensemble technique. What technique? What do you mean by ensemble? Any idea? It is combine multiple models to solve complex problem. To solve what problem? Complex problem, right? XGBOOST is a decision tree based ensemble machine learning algorithm, and that uses gradient boosting framework. That uses what exactly, sir? Gradient descent framework actually. I'm sorry, gradient boosting framework. Yeah, good. It combines the prediction from two or more models. As I told you, it can combine the multiple models so that it get the better performance actually. There is one few more points we have to be understand. Why use XGBOOST? Point number one, execution is very speed actually. It works very quickly and in terms of super fast. That's what you need to get a clear picture. The next one, performance also, it will give good performance. Now the point will be, till now we already work with scikit-learn library. What library, madam? Scikit-learn. XGBOOST, it is not inbuilt in scikit-learn library. It will not come by default. It will not come with scikit-learn actually. If you wanted to work with XGBOOST, explicitly you have to install library. That library name is so called as a pip install. That's it, right? Can we, are we ready? Can we install this? Let's install this. XGBOOST. Maybe I already installed, I guess. If I already installed, what I will get? Oh, maybe I have uninstalled. This indicates to not yet installed. This indicates to the total size of the model actually. Mostly it should be in MBs. It is being getting installed. Done. Library is installed actually. Then proceed. Sir, by this time you should know how to install specific library, right? Daniel, what to install? XGBOOST. Pip install. That's it. Dataset explanation. Get ready to understand. Dataset, what exactly, sir? Explanation. We are going to solve one healthcare dataset, sir. Please be focused. Understand the dataset. Then you will get a clarity. Understand the dataset. Understand the problem statement. You will get a clarity. What is the problem statement? You know. Imagine there is a patient. Healthcare dataset. There is a patient. Doctors will understand this problem. Even they will get surprised. Oh, we can solve like this also. We are solving a problem statement by using machine learning algorithm. By using what? Machine learning algorithm. Think like there is a hospital. A patient came, sir. Who came actually? Patient came. Patient came actually. Right. Then the problem statement is recognizing, identify or recognize patient having diabetes or not actually. What is the problem statement? Either patient having what exactly? Diabetes or not. To identify so-and-so patient having diabetes or not, what we need to do? We need to collect the information from patient. Right. Now, Daniel, this one is a target variable. This one is what exactly, sir? Target variable. What is a target variable? Either having diabetes, chappan sir, diabetes or not. Or what exactly, sir? No. What do you mean by either yes or no? Either yes or what exactly? No actual. Chappan, am I right? Now, then you should provide input. You should provide what exactly? Input. Imagine once the patient came to the hospital, to recognize either patient having diabetes or not. Now what we need to do, you need to collect the information. What are all information you will collect, sir? Almost 8 features I'm going to cover. How many features? 8 features we are going to collect actually. Once you collected all these features, then doctor will analyze, generally the doctor will analyze, okay, what is the BP level? How many times pregnant? Yeah, kind of some madams actual, right? I mean to say the married, they will identify these are all parameters. What is the age? What is the insulin level? What is the body condition? Then finally, they will check all these parameter values. They will check yes, having the diabetes or no diabetes. This kind of conclusion they will give actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Now what we are doing is already around some 100 patients information we do have. That is the genuine information. Now we are going to train one ML algorithm. Then ML algorithm will understand the patterns, which patient having what type of diabetes actually. Once the model is ready, here doctor is not required. Who is not required? Doctor is not required. Imagine, so-and-so patient came. Doctor is not available. Nurse is available. Then nurse called to the doctor. Doctor told today I'm leave actually. Then do one thing. You can open my system. You can run one program. Then you can just have to ask collect all details from the patient actually. Enter all the details. Then you can confirm directly from the model. From what exactly? That is a problem statement. Are you clear about the problem? Now let me explain about the data set actually. Let me explain about the data set. Good. We are going to working with, so either PIMA, you can say, PIMA Indians diabetes data set, which is so called as a CSV file. This data set is related to the healthcare domain. What domain, sir? Chapani. Healthcare domain. So Indians are Native American group that lives in Mexico and Arizona, USA. Don't think like because of Indian, what would you have? They're from Indians. No, some different location. A kind of some, Native American group that lives in Mexico and Arizona actually. It explains patient medical record data from source. So whether they do have a diabetes or not from last to 5 years onwards. Last how many? 5 years onwards. Sir, the so-and-so data set consisting of Indian, I mean to say Indian in the sense, these are all group actually. Females data set, only females data set. What data set? Females actually. That to 21 years and older than popular benchmark too. I mean, the minimum age is the 21. Generally, the diabetes when people will get, after 40. After what exactly mean? 40. But so-and-so in a location, automatically, the mothers they are started getting diabetes actually. Imagine so and so mother, she went to hospital, she is telling I'm having fever. First they will do the diabetes test. First they will do go for corona situation, sir. Imagine you are having cold actually. What test they will do first? COVID test actually. Am I right or not, sir? So it is a binary classification problem, and either diabetes, if the patient having the diabetes, which is so called as a 1, no diabetes, talk with me, 0. I mean to say, tell me binary or multi-class classification. What classification? Binary. How can you say? Target values are 2, either 0 or 1. All input variables are describes about the patient and numerical data. Now make a note on this one. This is about the total patient related information. Patient related information. Please understand this. First one, pregnant. Imagine a mother, she came to hospital. First they will collect this information, right? They will ask her, how many times pregnant? I mean to say, how many times pregnant, numerical value. Can you tell me what is the minimum value? Either it can be 0 and next one is what exactly, sir? 17. Nowadays, the kids will be either 1 or 2, right? Sir, go back to the olden days. Like a, you know what? My grandmother, my grandmother, 9 kids she had. How many, sir? The way how they used to take the food, that is seriously awesome actually. We cannot compare today food actually, right? Now let me tell you, this one is a minimum value and a maximum value. Glucose level, this one is again numerical value, and 0 to 199. These are all numerical value. BP, what do you mean by BP, sir? Blood pressure, right? 0 to 122. Like this, skin, insulin, BMI. What do you mean by BMI? Body mass index actually, right? These are all value. And age also they will take. And can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Why here it is not 2000 actually? Age, yeah. Now don't ask like, when you're talking about the skin level, why it is not 2000? Maybe minimum value and maximum value. Minimum is the 0, maximum should be 99. Hope you understand clearly. Okay. BMI. What is the last one, sir? Outcome. Either patient having the diabetes or not actually. Quite interesting example we are going to work. From these are all inputs, sir. The last one is called as what exactly? Target variable. Are you ready? Can we continue? Let's move on. So here I have given explanation. So number of times pregnant, so and so glucose level, class variable. Sir, quite interesting. This example. Focus on this. Till now, we have loaded the data set by using pandas. Madam, by using pandas. Now today we are going to load the data set by using NumPy. By using what exactly? NumPy. We can load also. We can load. Right. Please be focused actually. Sorry. Chuptara, what is the topic, sir? Step number one. Can you tell me what is step number one? Importing the libraries. Can you tell me step number two? Yeah. Anyway, we'll do one thing. Let us import by using pandas. I will tell you what is going to happen. Import pandas as what exactly PD. What is the file name, you know, sir? So and so CSV file. I can confirm this .csv. Come again? Sorry. Okay. We'll see. First, to let me explain the data set. You please help me. What is going on? Okay. There is a headset. There is a data set, not headset, data set. Sir, the last one is target variable. Any idea what is the first one? First of all, no header. First of all, header is not there. Sometimes out of 100, 1 or 2%, client may give the data set. The data set may not contain no headers actually. No headers. We need to update to the client. Are boss, we have given the data set, but there are no columns. We need to update actually. Then client will provide the solution. These are all columns you need to attach actually. Otherwise, they will replace with the columns with the old data set with the new data set actually. Anyway, understand this scenario also. No data set. If you are using pandas to load this data set, what happened, sir? Any idea? Good. Let me tell you. Imagine pandas by default blindly it will fix in the brain actually. First one is the header. First one is, let me show you. But do you think that is header? No. Let me confirm that. Let me show you. Blindly pandas will fix. First one is header, but it is not a header. It is not a header. Then what we need to do? We need to tell to the pandas, hey pandas, first one is not a header actually. You do one thing. Skip the first row. Skip what exactly? First row. Provide the default header. Then what we need to do? Header equals to none we need to specify. Important interview question, sir. Important interview question actually. Make a note on this. Imagine there is a CSV file, no header. Then by default first row will become like a header actually. Yeah, good. Now my favorite syntax actually. Chaptara, what is my favorite syntax? If no header, what we need to tell, header equals to none. Header equals to none. Then by default pandas will start assigning header part actually. 0, 1, 2. Kada? Manaka idea undi kada? 0, 1, 2 like this actually. Okay? Yeah. This is the way we can load actually. Ayyo. Is file having no header? If you load by using pandas, then pandas will consider first row as a header. Okay. If you want, we can implement the code actually. Check below code. Header equals to none. You have to provide. Now here let me delete this. Yeah, Daniel. Let me load this. Let's move on. Kada? Yeah. Now take this example. Then pandas will skip the first row. Skip what exactly mean? First row. And so assign chaptara default column names. Assign what exactly? Default column name. Default column names what? 0, 1, 2. A long back will end actually. Kada eppudo నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. Anyway, now instead of pandas, let me tell you, are you clear till now? మీకు ఇప్పుడు వరకు అర్థమైందా? Instead of pandas, we can load CSV file by using one function. Function name is called as a load text. Load text. There is a one function in NumPy. That function name is called as a load text actually. By using that we can load. Let me show you. This is really beautiful actually. Okay. How you can load, sir? Simple man. Very simple actually. Can I tell you one good news actually? We already told this point a long back actually. When it comes to array, first of all, no columns, no column names, kada? Then it won't care actually. Either it is having the name of the columns or not, it won't care. That's why here it is an added advantage. Yeah, load text, name of the file, and delimiter equals to comma separator. Chappan sir? Chappan. Delimiter equals to comma. A comma you have to provide. Sir, I wanted to show you we can still use NumPy also. I mean, if anyone is asking, Arey Daniel, why you are using NumPy instead of pandas, means try to understand by using NumPy also we can load, but this is very rare. This is very rare actually. Who asked the question, sir? I hope it is a Siddiq Sarji. Siddiq Sarji. Arey Daniel, why NumPy you are using actually? Sir, you in the sense everyone need to understand by using NumPy also we can load the file. Yeah, good. New scenario. Come on. Let's do the data preparation. Let's do what exactly? Data preparation. Easy. Sorry. Input and output. Any idea this syntax so called as a syntax name on Dilsa? Come again? Slicing. Data preparation. One small suggestion. First of all, there is a comma separator. Left hand side all rows. Comma separator. Left hand side all rows. Right hand side columns. That two right hand side columns you write. When it is group of columns, if column is available, then only group of columns. If single number is available, single column. That is a rule. A thumb rule మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. We already covered during NumPy. No. LOC, data selection. Sir, by this time you should be strong in Python and Pandas. I believe you guys are monster in Python and Pandas, I guess. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Now come on, let us read one more time. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, splitting the data set. What is the ratio? 0.33 means. What is the ratio, sir? 67:33. Did I imported actually? Then what is error? Nice. By this time you should know how to fix name error, type error, value error. You have to fix independently without any dependency actually. Splitting the data set. Step from 1 to 4. These are all steps from 1 to 4. Very nice. Very nice. More to the next one. Any idea what is the next step, sir? Chaptara? Step number 5. Simple. Model creation. Wow. We are going to importing one class. Class name is called as the XGB classifier. What is that one? XGB classifier. Okay. Whole line is called as a nice. Next one is model training. Here also they followed the same pattern. Fit method they used actually. చెప్తారా x underscore train comma y underscore very nice. Good. What is the next step? చెప్పండి. Prediction. Prediction for what? Either so and so patient having diabetes or no. We'll do one thing. Let's check the score. I hope that is the next one is the checking the score. Running the model we done. Fit method. What is the fit here? Method. Model prediction. Right. Now go to the days. Go to the data set. Let's open like this actually. Sir, from what is the 6 value? Any idea? Number of times pregnancy. What is the next one? 148 maybe? What is that? 148 ఏంటి సార్ మీకు గుర్తుందా ఫీచర్ నేమ్? 148 is a glucose level. What level? Glucose level. Now the next to 72 is so called as a BP. And the last one, can you tell me what is a 50? Now let us take the first record, first patient. What is output, sir? Yeah, let us think like there is a one patient came. That patient details we captured, these are all. It's the right time to do the prediction. Come on, let's do that actually. Let's do that. Oh, hold on. Yeah, Daniel, let us just have to call instead of X test actually. No, I just wanted to pass predict of one value. Then you will understand other thing. Come here, sir. Let's enter into that example, and step number 7 is so called as a prediction with the model. Yeah, ayyo. We can come here, capture the first row. Very nice. You need to provide these all values. Ensure that you should know what value you are providing. Make a note on this. What is the guessing output, sir? We should get as a 1. Before that, check the score also. If you are getting wrong output, then the score is very less actually. Yeah, we are good to go. Fine then. Nice. If you want slightly, you can change the value. Imagine person age will be 51, 52 you can give. And this value you can change to 4, 2, 4, kind of some 2, kind of some 6, 7, like that you can provide. This one, can I provide 2000 actually? Why? Yeah, make a note on this one. You should know what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value. Now, this is beautiful. We prepared model. This model is recognizing so-and-so patient having the diabetes or not. If they have a diabetes, follow the medication. That's it. Give the medication kit actual medicine. If no diabetes, congratulations, no diabetes actually. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what model is predicting, sir. This is the exact scenario. In future, imagine the doctor is not required for all scenarios. On an average, let us take a 10, kind of some 10 actions actually. Do you have a fever? A kind of some body checking, it is going to happen with the all AI models actually. Then they will suggest the medication also. They will suggest what in future, you know what? If it is a major cases, major health issues, then only doctor will involve actually. In future, I'm repeating again, almost all hospital, they're planning to create a AI models. AI models actually. Go back to the Neuralink project is the same. Elon Musk, you know actually? Elon Musk. He planted a chip in human brain actually. I hope I already explained. What he's doing, once he planted the chip, he's capturing, sir, our body is nothing but a data. Your heartbeat, per day, how many steps you are taking. Based on that, your body condition. Either you are really physical or good or not actually. Your BP condition, your eye blink, what is your sleeping hours. If you're feeling kind of some drowsy, what is your heart condition. These are all nothing but a data. Per minute, how many times heartbeat actually? Yeah, they will cross verify. They will check either it is going to happen or if it is not happening, what is going on? They will do prediction actually. Indirectly, I can tell you one thing. Take any country, there are two things. One is the health, next one is education. One is health, next one is education. If anyone is prepared kind of some product for health actually, next one education, that country will really very good country actually. That impacts a lot actually. Make a note on this one. Almost all hospitals, they are planning to, sir, they do have a lot of data. Let me talk about Manipal Hospital. Tell me one top hospital name, Apollo. Sir, Apollo, since last 10 years, they do have a lot of patients' data. Then they need to explain the data to the data scientists. Then they need models, recognizing the diabetes model, when the patient will get a heart attack actually, when the cancer, how the cancers we can recognize actually, a kind of some tumor, brain tumor detection. These are all things actually. All hospitals having the data. All hospitals having what exactly? But unfortunately, hospitals are not revealing the data actually. Why? Because data means knowledge. Data means money for them. Data means they never live simply actually. Make a note on this. What is that? If you give training data point for the prediction model, will be biased to give correct output actually, then how we can say it is a good model actually. Check the score, sir. Check the score. Best example, let me tell you. I understand your question. Go to my father example. Training data set 70, testing data set 30. My father started, training is done, 70 images, 30 images testing. In between when he is testing, suddenly he taken one data set from training. That is okay. That is still okay. Why? Because I already trained, right? Check the score actual. But such a beautiful question. Can I ask you a question? What is predict? Predicting diabetes. Predicting so-and-so patient having the diabetes. During COVID situation, every day you used to see the reports, right? These many death cases. These cases are increasing. These many cases are decreasing. Data analysis operation, sir. What operation? Every state level they used to share. In Andhra, these many cases are rising. In Telangana, these many. In Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, these many. They completely applied pandas actually. What they applied? If you want, you can cross verify. When it comes to know COVID actually, in web there is a JSON data. Indirectly they are giving one URL. If you want, I will share actually. They given directly JSON data. You can load the data and you can create a data frame, start the cinema actually. You can apply all data frame operations. I will share the link, hold on, in a Google Classroom I will share. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah. Steps from 1 to chapter 7. Good, we are good to go. Yeah, you can provide X test also. When you're providing X test, it is a testing data set actually. We are doing prediction. Yeah. First record, so patient. 0 means? Chappan sir. No diabetes. Last record, so patient. 1 means having diabetes. And it's okay. Directly we applied machine learning. These are all. But do one thing. Take this data set and create a data frame. Create a data frame. Create a data frame with header equals to none. Header equals to none. Then you can rename. You can. I hope you know how to rename actually. Am I right? Chapna Miku. We can just try to come here. This one is a data set. I wanted to assign the name of the columns. I wanted to assign name of the column. You can use rename method or you can use df.columns also attribute also. Columns attribute here it helps a lot actually. Such a beautiful example. Kada? Left side df.columns equals to right side list of all column names you can specify. It will be assigned automatically. Beautiful. Once the data frame is ready, apply head method, tail method, info method, describe method. These are all things you can apply. Beautiful, man. Apply sir. Check the score. That's what I'm telling. Which algorithm is giving the good score? That algorithm is the best actually. You can apply decision tree, you can apply random forest. These are all actual. Good. Let me tell you. Nice. You can go for previously. Now I have taken, so-and-so data set. Healthcare data set we have taken. Healthcare data set we have taken actually. On top of this one, just know what we applied actually. XGBOOST. XGBOOST algorithm we applied. Sir, we can apply decision tree also. In real time we are doing. We can apply random forest also. We can apply what exactly? Random forest also. With all these algorithms, we need to run one pipeline actually. What we need to run? Pipeline. Now this pipeline will give the result. Which algorithm is the best algorithm? Which algorithm is what exactly is the best algorithm actually? This during project I will cover actually. Best algorithm actually. Yes, we need to run. Good question. Daniel, how many algorithms? What are all algorithms we know? We need to apply actually. It's not like we should not depend upon only one algorithm. You need to run on an average minimum 5 to 6 algorithm. Then you need to show the report to the client. Client, I run this algorithm. This is the score. Taking this much time. I run this algorithm. This is the score. Can I run? 1 minute. If you give me, there is one project. Look at my screen. There is a one problem statement that you can understand later. Backend the pipeline will run actually. Okay. Model pipeline is running. What is the first algorithm it is running? Random forest. It is taking some time. It is running in the backend. It's taken data. This one is a project we are going to cover. Like this, for any problem, what are all algorithms we know, we need to apply, sir. Check the score. Yeah, very good. Second one is decision tree classifier, KNN algorithm, Ridge classifier, Navy base actually, SVC. Very nice, very nice. We are running all algorithms with the pipeline actually. Now pipeline will give the result. Pipeline will give what exactly? Result actually. Please be patient. See. Generally SVC takes little longer time. Data science is you have to run an algorithm, you have to check like this actually. It's like model takes some time to run. Once I run algorithm, almost it has taken more than 6 days actually. More than 6 days. System is less configuration. Not my personal laptop, computer laptop actually. In cloud, it taken almost 6 days. Finally, we got a result actually. Oh, cloud, right? 24/7, they should be up actually. That is a guarantee. Amazon will give guarantee. Very nice. This is the report I wanted to show you. This project we are working. Wow, such a nice report actually. Look at this report, sir. Think like there is a problem statement. Over that problem statement, we run these are all algorithm. With the result, we have created a data frame. According to that score, we sorted the data frame. 0, random forest, SVC. Can you tell me how long time it has taken? Sir, more than 1 minute. That algorithm, yeah, you can capture how long time it is running in the backend actually. That algorithm taken the data. That algorithm run more than 1 minute 6 seconds actually. The next one, what is the score it is giving? 88.9, right? Almost 89. 89. What is the next place? Random forest. How long time? 46 seconds just actually. What is the score? 88. In real time, score really matters. Every algorithm works with any data set, but score matters. Score and time frame also. Sir, beautiful actually. Navy base algorithm. Can you tell me how long time? Just 1 second actually. 1 second. What is the score level? According to our understanding, we are thinking this one is the topmost, right? Sometime client will tell, hey, I don't have this much time. Go with this model actually. Not only score, time frame also matters sometime actually. According to the big O notation. Time stamp actually. That real. Advent, sir. This we can see later. Nice question. Online team, are you getting or not, sir? So when you will compare these are all algorithms, if you know how to work these are all algorithms with the public data set, you will get an idea. Okay, this algorithm we can apply, this algorithm we can apply. Nice. Can we move on? Where are we? Check model accuracy. Yeah, good. How much percentage? 74%. 74% means what exactly? No, not a good accuracy. It should be more than 80 or 90. But okay, as of now, we are getting somewhat good prediction. Accuracy underscore score. This one is a predefined function. For that function, you need to provide y test, and next one is what exactly? Prediction actually. Prediction. Sorry. I'm sure this you can run. Can I continue? Accuracy underscore score. XGBOOST is not yet done. By using XGBOOST, we are going to implement 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1, we have used it for prediction. We have used it for scenario number 2, we can do for label encoding also. Let me tell you how to do that. Let me tell you how to do that actually. First of all, can I ask a question? Label means what? Any idea? One more time. Oh, okay. Good. Well tried actually. Well tried. Now, hold on. I mean, if I ask any question based on our document only, I can ask actually. Let me show you. Can you tell me what is this? Salary. What variable? Target variable. What variable? Target variable. The output will get offered the training model is called as what exactly? Label. Sir, either you remembered or not. This is also called as a feature, also called as a target variable, also called as a label, also called as a label actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. This is also called as a label actually. Label. Okay. Let's move on. Now label encoding. What do you mean by that, Daniel, actually? Till now, what we done, sir, till now, almost all scenarios. Imagine if it is a feature, if it is kind of some categorical data, we converted into numerical data. We converted into numerical data. I mean to say, categorical data, we have transformed into numerical data in terms of the feature. Sometimes what happen, sir, target variable can be categorical data. Quite interesting. What variable? Target variable. Till now, all target variables are kind of some numerical data only we have seen. Am I right? Either 1 or 0, something like that we have taken actually. Either 0, 1, 2, iris data set 0, 1, 2 actually. Now we are going to working with one data set, iris data set only. But let me tell you, the target column, let me take like a categorical data. Though it is the categorical data, how to handle algorithm, you will get an idea. Are you clear first of all? Yeah, good. That's what you need to be understand. First one, I hope you, same iris data set actually, but now, yeah, good. Sir, any idea what is the first column? Sepal and next one, sepal with next one, petal and next one, petal with. What is the next one actually? Target variable. What variable? Let us not take 0, 1, 2. Let us take a categorical data. If it is a categorical data, I mean, sometimes client will give the target variable can be categorical data. During that time, what we need to do? We need to apply this technique actually. What technique we need to apply, sir? Label encoding we need to apply. What we need to apply? Label encoding. The target variable we are just trying to converting into numerical data actually. Can I continue? Are you clear? Yeah, let's do that actually. Let's XGBOOST with label encoding. Sir, we are loading by using pandas. We are loading by using pandas actually. Great. We are not loading the built-in data sets. We are not loading the public data set. I do have a iris data set. We are loading that actually. Yeah. Iris.csv header equals to none. Maybe header. Why red color? Yeah. You guys kindly remind me today. Okay. Let's open iris. Of course, I don't want to take public data set. Anyway, but publicly you can get actually. Okay, this data set would you have? First of all, no header. Okay. First 4 features we already know. But the target variable is a categorical data. Target variable is a first 50 or Chappan sir, say to sir. The next 50 or Varsigala. The next 50 we already know actually. We already know this. Let's move on. One more extra row also we have taken. 1 to 150. No. Exactly right. No header, right? 1 to 150. Are you clear? Sir, did you notice? No header. If I load by using pandas, if no header, what happened? First row is a header. I don't want first row is the header. I need a default header. What I need to do? Perfect. Then I hope you already understand. Step number 2, loading the dataset. Sir, if input variable is available, till date we understand how to apply. Imagine in the given data set, if input data set is available, go to the decision tree. We applied actually. Now here the new scenario will be, imagine if the target variable is a categorical. Then how to handle? That's what we are going to cover actually. Siddiq Sarji, are you clear? Yeah, make a note on this one, sir. Make a note. Perfect. Perfect. We are getting these all. How many rows? 150. How many columns? Chappan, sir. Hi. Data preparation. Let's do it actually. Let us just to convert into array. I hope you know this one is a data frame. I wanted to convert into array so that I can apply immediately data preparation. Let's get into this one. Sir, this is data frame. This one is array. How can we say? Yeah. This one should, yeah, df. Nice. By this time, you should fix errors yourself only. By looking at the error, if you are getting favor in the sense, you are not good in Python and Pandas actual. Error చూస్తే మీకు గనక జ్వరం వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. I mean, if you are getting fever or headache actually, you are not good in Python and Pandas. By this time, you should know how to fix the error actually. Name error, syntax error, type error, value error, file not found error, module not found error. These are all bread and butter actual. అవునా కదా సార్? I have a separate material. Which error, what scenario? Let me check into my external hard disk actually. I have a lot of materials, man. Oh, those are all a long back I have prepared. Java, Scala, big data. These are all I prepared actually. Daniel, let's continue, please. Okay. Step number 3, data preparation. This is completely syntax, something like LOC, LOC. If you really practice, you will get an idea. Let us make it lowercase. Can I ask a question? What is X? Features. What is Y? Target variable. The two target variable is a categorical data. Do you want to see that? Wow. We know this is features. Since a long we are working actually. Ignore this one. Now let us focus on the target variable. Let us focus on what variable, man? Categorical data. What data? Categorical data. Come on, let's move on. Nice. Encoding flower names. Any idea what we are using? Label encoder. Talk with me. Label encoder. You are creating an object. Okay. Object. Label encoder. I hope you already know. You can directly call fit underscore transform method. You can directly call. We have one more alternative also. Separately, you can call fit method. Separately, you can call transform method. Transform method. Both are same actually. Similar. Here we are calling label underscore encoder. Fit method we are calling. That too. Fit method you are calling on which variable? Target variable. Make a note on this one. First time you are able to say, sir, here variable reassignment. What exactly variable? Reassignment actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Left hand side, both variable names are same. Both object names are same. Kind of some variable reassignment we are doing actually. Is it okay? Can I give the same variable and you will get a more clarity? Move on to the next one. Lowercase y. By using this object you are calling. That's what you need to make it. Otherwise, Daniel, if you want, you can give this one is A, this one is B, this one is A, this one is what exactly B. That's it actually. Like that also you can do. More clear, right? First object name, second object name. What happened? That's what A dot. No, it should be B, sir. Why? Because you know this object we are using. More clarity, I guess, actually. Once we are, I mean, the moment when you are calling fit method, we are assigning into the variable. Yes, both are same actually, but let us not make it like a same. Clear? If you want, here variable reinitialization. First variable you have created actually, and second variable also you have created with the same name. You can assign actually. Fit method, it is returning one object. That object, this variable name you are using here actually. No confusion. It is very simple. Now I have a question for you, sir. Successfully we have converted this value. Can I ask a question? Shouldn't. Let me print y. Top 5 values. How to print actually? 0 to 5. Now here, let us try to display label encoded of top 5 values. Very good. It is assigning setos as a 0. Again setos as what exactly 0. Again setos as what exactly 0. Very nice actually. It is applied automatically. Same thing like that. Next one is what exactly? Versicolor. It will be applied 1. Nice. Virginica 2. That's it. It is taking automatically actually. If you really understand that logic, we done. Sir, splitting the dataset. Cinema started actually. In any real-time project, 70% of the code data processing only, sir. 70% of the code data processing only. Step number 4. Input. Do you think here why? Do it previously what we need to provide, sir? Why? If it is the Y categorical data, then what is the use of we done actually? Label encoded Y we need to provide. What we need to provide? Label encoded Y, but not Y. Explicitly I'm giving some variable. That's still okay. You can just have to come here. Test size 0.33. The next one seed is kind of some 7. That's okay. That's okay. Let's move on. I'm sure you understand very clearly. Splitting the data set. Any idea what is the next one? Japan, sir. Model creation. Same story. Story is the same actually. These steps I have designed, sir. I spent a lot of time. Then I wanted to separate these all steps. Because of these steps only you understanding, almost all machine learning algorithms in a very easy way actually. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation. Model creation, very nice. Imagine if these steps are not there, You may not that too, these are all sequential steps. What steps? What do you mean by sequential? First this one should be done. The next one, loading the data set, should be done. The next one, data preparation. Can I tell you, imagine this step is not there, then forget about other steps. No way. Forget about other steps actually. These are all interdependency. What do you mean by that? Step number 2 depends upon step number 1. Step number 3 depends on step number 2. Step number 4 depends on, like that actually. Imagine, first point, if step 1 is not there, no machine learning actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? రైట్. సో model training, I hope you know how to do train actually. Any idea what is the next step? You pass any row and it will do the prediction automatically. Sir, we done prediction. If you want to hear itself, you can just have to print this X data. Okay. Now, X test you are providing, then top X test 5 values I wanted to print. Even from this, I wanted to print top 5 values. It is matching for this one actually. That's what I'm trying to do. That's it. Now you will get a more clarity. Kada? First to record, what is it? What is one? Third category actually. Second record belongs to first one. What is the third one? Virginica. Second one? Versicolor. Zero? Setosa. Setosa or Setosa, sir? Setosa actually. Third record. What is it? Sepal length, sepal width. Petal length, petal width actual. Now what I wanted to confirm, yes, of course, XGBOOST algorithm also works with what data set, sir? Iris data set. So simple. These are all classification problems, classifiers. You can just take the data set. You need to apply these algorithms actually. Which algorithm is giving good score, that algorithm we need to deploy. It's not like we should not depend upon only one algorithm. That is a bad practice actually. This is something like, can I tell you? If it is a top MNC company, imagine there is a one project. For that one project, company maintains what exactly? 2 employees actually. One is for backup. One is for, imagine, company never believe a single person. Why? Because suddenly that person, he put a resign. He put a paper actually. Then, automatically, it takes a lot of time. That's what, this is something like, we never believe only single algorithm. What we need to do is work all these algorithms, create a pipeline, run the pipeline. Now pipeline will tell which algorithm you have to deploy actually. Okay. Same problem you can, I hope you know how to solve with other data sets as well. XGBOOST is not at over. One more example actually. Maybe we can cover tomorrow. I have some personal work steps from 1 to 7. 7 actually. Evaluate prediction. You can check accuracy also. You can check 92 accuracy, sir. Very good. Performance and accuracy levels also very good. You can call accuracy, accuracy and this I will cover tomorrow. And sir, this is very, very important. This is also called as a feature selection. Also called as a feature selection. This I can cover tomorrow. I'm sorry for leaving early. Good question, sir. The threshold value will be greater than 90. 90. Okay. If it is reducing, we need to retrain the model. I will continue tomorrow. Every topic you have to prepare, sir. Coming Saturday, no session. Why? I like holidays, sir. I really like actually. You will understand. Once you join a company actually, మీకు హాలిడేస్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టపడతారు. It's not relaxed time, but oh, I need to upload both, right? Yeah. But even out of some running, imagine Saturdays, second Saturdays, I used to go to with my family and we used to do kind of some prayer actually. I will spend with my family. Then if I get to 1 hour time, I will prepare some material. I habituated like that actually. If I get some free time, AI agents material is coming. Till now, that kind of material is not there actually. So all go back running notes, right? I'm sure you guys are blessed actually with the material. I mean to say. Fine then. Thank you. We'll catch again in the next session.